This is how to verify your domain ownership in Google Search Console. First of all, when you come to Google Search Console, you see add property. When you tap on add property, and then you put your URL, you choose the URL prefix, then you put it and you tap on continue. It brings you to this place where you'll be asked to upload HTML file to your website. So this is the file. Now, if you are using a WordPress website, for example, like mine, you go to WordPress admin dashboard, and then go to plugins. Tap on add plugin, and then search for files tab, and then tap on install, then tap on activate. After activating, you come and open that file, the plugin. Okay, so you see it here. Now, on the left hand side, if you also look at the left hand corner, you will see file manager. So you go to file manager, and so you come back, then download it. I've already downloaded it. So when you download it, when you come, so when you see here, you see upload and upload file button. So you tap on it, and you see select files. So go and upload what you've downloaded. So after the upload is complete, go back to Google Search Console and tap on verify. So it says ownership verified. So that is exactly how you can verify your domain in Google Search Console. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us if you need our digital marketing services.